Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a police complaint letter. What is a police complaint letter? A police complaint letter, also known as a police report or incident report, is a formal document used to report a crime, suspicious activity, or an incident to law enforcement authorities. It serves as a written record of the event and can be used in legal proceedings or investigations. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a police complaint letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, for your personal information as a sender, you can write it on the envelope or within this letter, it is optional. After that, write the date of the letter. And then, write the information about the recipient. Here, you should write the full name. And write the occupation in the police department. For example, the letter is addressed to Captain Sarah Watson in Chicago Police Department. Under it, you need to write the address of the office or department. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For the next, write the subject of the letter. This is not a must, but highly recommended. So, you can write, police complaint regarding the incident you want to complain. For example, as police complaint regarding vandalism incident. And you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Captain Watson and so on. In the first paragraph, this is where you tell the recipient the date and time of incident. Here, you have to make sure that you write the correct information about the incident occurred on date at approximately time. For example, you can write something like, I am writing to formally file a complaint regarding an incident that occurred on November 10, 2023, at approximately 10:30 p.m. I am deeply concerned about the following matter. After that, in the second paragraph, this is where you give details about the location of incident. In this case, you should tell the recipient where the incident took place. Yes, it is a must to mention the exact location. Yes, include the street address, city, state, zip code. For example, the writer here reported, on the aforementioned date and time, the writer witnessed an act of vandalism at the Anytown Park, located at 789 Oak Street. After giving all details about time and place, now, you should give description of incident. You should provide a detailed description of the incident, including what happened and any events leading up to it. In this example, the writer stated, a group of individuals, whose identities I am unable to provide at this time, were seen defacing public property by spray painting graffiti on the playground equipment and benches. And describe what you did after witnessing the incident. You may call the local authorities or something. Write it here. For example, I immediately contacted the local authorities, but the perpetrators had fled the scene by the time the police arrived. That's why you are writing this letter. Because the local authorities failed to arrest the perpetrators. In the third paragraph, mention the items or property involved. You should mention whether during the incident, some items were stolen or damaged or lost. And if any, you should list the items and their estimated value. For example, the writer here stated, I believe that this incident merits a thorough investigation due to its potential implications for public safety and the well-being of our community. Ensure you can give your statement. Provide your own statement about the incident, including your perspective, involvement if any, and any additional information you think is relevant. For example as, I kindly request that the Anytown Police Department initiates an investigation into this matter to ensure that justice is served and to prevent any recurrence of such incidents. In the fourth paragraph, write a description of suspects or witnesses. If applicable, you can also provide descriptions of any suspects involved in the incident. They can be their physical appearance, clothing, or any other identifiable features. For example as, I have attached photographs I took as evidence of the vandalism, which may assist in the investigation. Additionally, I am willing to cooperate fully with the authorities and provide any further information that may be required. And in case there are some injuries or medical treatment, describe them and indicate whether medical treatment was sought. Of course, you can include any medical reports or documents if available. After that, in the fifth paragraph, you can include contact information for any witnesses who may have observed the incident. You can write something like, please acknowledge receipt of this complaint and inform me of any further actions or developments regarding the investigation. You can reach me at 555-555-5555 or john.smith@email.com if you need to contact me. And you can also provide your own statement about the incident, including your perspective, involvement if any, and any additional information you think is relevant. In this example, the writer hopes for the police to take action. I trust that the Anytown Police Department will handle this matter with the utmost professionalism and diligence, and I look forward to a swift and just resolution. And the last, you need to thank the recipient for their attention to this serious issue. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under. So, that's how you write a police complaint letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.